It's like you got superpowers. Turn my minutes into hours. You got more than 2020, babe. Made of glass the way you see through me. You know me better than I do. Can't seem to keep nothing from you. How you touch my soul from the outside. Permeate my ego and my pride. I wanna love me, ooh, the way that you love me, ooh, ooh, for all of my pretty, for all of my ugly too. I'd love to see it from your point of view. I wanna trust me, the way that you trust me, baby. 'Cause nobody ever love me like you do. I love to see me from a point of view, baby. I'm getting used to receiving, still getting good and not living. I'm in love, even though I'm scared, though. Learning to be grateful for myself. You love my lips, 'cause they say that things we always been afraid of, I can feel starting to subside, baby. Learning to believe what is mine. I wanna love me, the way that you love me, baby. Love me, for all my pretty, all of my ugly too. I love to see me from a point of view. I wanna trust me, the way that you trust me. Nobody ever loved me like you do. I love to see me from a point of view. I couldn't believe it or see it for myself. No impatient. Now I'm falling, frozen, slowly thawing. Got me right. I won't keep waiting. All my back is fading safely. My eyes to see me, won't let them stray too far away. I wanna love me, the way that you love me, for all of my pretty and all of my ugly too. I'd love to see me from a point of view. I wanna trust me, ooh, the way that you trust me, baby. Nobody ever loved me like